long does it take to recover the investment in an automotive car wash business? When many clients contact Go&Go, the first question is almost always, how long does it take to recoup the investment in the automotive car wash business? This is a very practical question, and Go&Go understands that before investing a significant amount of money in a business model, everyone needs a clear figure and specific roadmap. However, Go&Go always firmly stress that the payback period is not a fixed number like 6 months or 1 year. It depends on 4 core factors. If you do well in all of these factors, the payback period can be significantly shortened, even faster than initial expected. The first factor is the investment budget and choosing the right business model. When investing in an automatic car wash system, the budget can range from tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the machine, configuration, and size of the premises. At Go&Go, our automatic car wash system are designed to meet individual needs, integrating features such as high pressure foam spraying, deep undercarriage washing, high-tech soft brush to minimize scratches, wheels and rim scrubbing, and high-power drying. The entire process is automatic and programmed to complete in just 8 to 12 minutes. A car can be washed in about 10 minutes, meaning 6 to 8 cars can be serviced per hour. And with continuous operation, over 100 cars can be served daily without relying on a large workforce. However, the choice of machine configuration should be based on local demand. If your area had a high density of vehicle, good income, and customers are willing to pay for fast, clean, and modern service, then investing in a high-end configuration is recommended to maximize revenue. Conversely, if the market is new, we can choose a moderate investment package that still ensures technology and a great experience. Making a right investment from the start will greatly determine the speed of return on investment. The second factor is the location. This is something Go&Go always emphasize when you visit our workshop for a hands-on experience. If you already own a property, the investment cost will be significantly reduced, and the pressure on monthly cash flow will decrease considerably. However, if you rent, you will need to carefully calculate the minimum area of 200 to 300 square meters to ensure enough space for the automatic car wash area, waiting area, car care area, and convenient access. The better the location, situated on the main road, with easy access, near densely populated residential area, apartment building, or industrial zones, the higher the natural customer traffic. With a good location, marketing costs are also reduced because the property itself is an effective advertising channel. Conversely, if the location is deep and early and hard to find, no matter how modern the equipment is, the initial number of vehicles will be slower and the payback period will certainly be longer. Go&Go always conducts site service our customers to optimize the factor before installation. The third factor is the service strategy. Many people think that opening a car wash only requires washing cars, but in reality, car washing is just the beginning. Once a car enters the automatic washing system, it is a golden opportunity to introduce additional car care and detailing service, such as ceramic coating, polishes, interior cleaning, deodorizing, window tinting, engine compartment care, or regular maintenance. The profits from car care and spa service is usually much higher than simply washing car. If you only wash car, you can recoup your investment over a longer period because the profit margin per car is not very high. But if you know how to combine and upsell service, each customer can bring in many times more revenue. In that case, the payback period can be significantly shortened because we not only earn money from vehicle traffic, but also from the value of its customer. The fourth factor is the operation and marketing strategy. Go&Go automatic car wash system has a major advantage of saving on personnel, a highly automatic process, stable operation, and the ability to operate continuously without relying heavily on the skill of the technicians. However, to achieve good revenue, you need to build a grand opening promotion program, service combos, membership cards, customer care for existing customers, and strong social media communication. A modern model without proper promotion will not attract customers. Conversely, when combining modern technology, systematic marketing, the number of vehicles can increase very quickly in just the first few months. So finally, how long does it take to recoup the investment? With properly configured model, attracts location, multi-service offering, and efficient operation, the payback periods can range from 12 to 24 months, or even faster if traffic is stable and service revenue is high. However, if any of these factors is lacking, the time may be longer. Go&Go not only sells equipment but also accompanies you from site service and design to operational training and marketing strategy development to minimize payback time and optimize long-term profit. If you are considering opening an automatic car wash and want to know the specific payback period for your area, please contact Go&Go for the tariff tailored to your location, budget, and need, specific business objective.